Welcome back, doctors. Now let's move on to the next question in our NEET Triple Test Series. Okay. So you see here what is asked. Vitamin K is required for. Okay. So look at the four options. Observe what they're asking. Basically, they're asking the physiological role of vitamin K in our body. Correct. Okay. So vitamin K, it is a. I'll just state some of the basic facts about vitamin K. Okay. Vitamin K is one of the four fat soluble vitamins in our body, okay, which is very essential for blood clotting. It has its major role in blood clotting, correct? Okay, so all these options are regarding blood clotting. Okay, so how can we eliminate it? Either we must know the correct answer, or we should we should do some calculated case, okay, educated case, so as to remove the other three options, wrong options, correct? Okay, you see what they are stating: change of prothrombin to thrombin. So what is prothrombin? It is the factor 2. Okay. Pro. If anything has pro in front of it, especially in biology, it means it is in inactivated state. An enzyme, okay, because the prothrombin is also a protein, right? Which is enzyme, okay. It is in its inactivated form, okay. What vitamin K is going to do? It has no role in conversion of inactivated form to activated form, correct? So no role of vitamin K in this, okay. So who does this job? Conversion of prothrombin to thrombin, activated thrombin. That is done by our factor 10, activated factor 10. Okay. Now look at it. So we can neglect this option one. Move on to the next option. Synthesis of prothrombin. Okay. So all the tissue factors, okay, all the clotting factors are synthesized in liver. Okay. There is a specific enzyme called gamma glutamyl carboxylase. Okay. Vitamin K acts as a cofactor for that particular enzyme. So what happens? It just synthesizes the prothrombin. Okay, I've added this here. As you can see, we're having a. This is basically a redox reaction. First thing you just keep in mind, and this is not from your NCRT book. Okay, this is for you to understand. I'm saying. Okay, so basically we have an enzyme. Okay, that converts. This is a conversion reaction taking place. You can see reduced vitamin form, okay, is getting converted to its epoxide form. Okay, so someone who is having more inclination towards organic chemistry would like this, I guess, right? Okay, so what's happening in this process? In this process, as you can see, prothrombin, okay, is synthesized. Basically, where is this taking place? In liver. Okay, so we know we can mark this answer. And let's move on to the next other. We cannot know, as this is a tutorial kind of session, I want to throw some light on the other two options as well. So you can see change of fibrinogen to fibrin. Who does this job? It is the activated thrombin that does it, correct? So you see here, fibrinogen is the inactivated clotting factor 1, okay, and converting into activated form. Who does this role? This is our activated thrombin, okay. So vitamin K has no role in this, okay, but has indirect role. But what are they asking for? There's a requirement for vitamin K, right? Okay, so what is the formation of thromboplastin? Okay, basically we have two types of clotting factors, right? Extrinsic pathway and intrinsic pathway. Tissue factor, thromboplastin is nothing but a tissue factor which is formed during tissue injury, correct? And vitamin K again has no role in it. So we can neglect this option as well. So what is our correct answer? It would be option 2. Okay? Yeah. I hope it is some kind, it will be of some value to you. I'll just meet you in next video. Bye bye.